Ready to unlock doors and discover your dream home on Zillow? Let's dive into how to get pre-approved and access properties like a pro. First, head over to Zillow.com or open the Zillow app on your phone. In the search bar, type in the city, neighborhood, or address of the property you're interested in. Once you've found a property, scroll down the listing page. Look for the Get Pre-Qualified or Get Pre-Approved button. These options help you understand your potential borrowing power. Click on your choice to proceed. You'll then be taken to a form where you'll need to fill in some basic information about your income, assets, and credit score. Be as accurate as possible to get the most realistic estimate. To request access to a property, look for options like Request a Tour or Contact Agent, usually located near the top or bottom of the listing page. Selecting this option will either let you request a tour or put you in contact with the listing agent. For rentals, look for a button that says something like Apply Now or Contact Property. Rental properties can require pre-approval depending on the listing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily get pre-approved and request property access on Zillow. Happy house hunting!